All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning and good evening, good afternoon, depending on your time zone. I just finished our live broadcast, and I was trying to see if like I told you, that I will re-examine myself to see if I will come back again to continue. But I can tell you that I will not gonna run that live broadcast later broadcast today because I felt like everybody is tired. You know, I feel like everybody's tired, and I myself I need to rest as well. So it's gonna be tomorrow, be Saturday. We'll continue from where we stop. But on the other hand, when we are streaming live, I noticed that DPM posted something. Cecilia called my attention on that. Some of you that was there with me, if you are with me when we are running the live broadcast, or maybe you have watched it, you understand what I'm talking about. So we got distracted, a good distraction to be honest. I'm not regretting it, though the idea and the agenda of the person that actually caught my attention is not something to be proud of, and that is the reason why we later blocked her. Cecilia, you need to, because it's obvious that you're a man, it is difficult to form friendship with someone that have different agenda. Your motive is remarkably different from what we want, and there's no way I will pretend to keep on harboring you. So I don't feel comfortable with that. All right, so that's a story for another day anyway. So I want us to go through that because I knew that people will still come out to attack, of course, to tell you that it's not true. Because show me your left hand. Because show me your right hand. Because you know how crazy these people sound, right? It's not new. Honestly, we are used to that. They will say that they paid you. They do. I don't care. I can only tell you the truth. The choice is yours to make. All right. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I want us to go through that. Reason being that I want to keep the record of this event. That's the reason why I'm recording this. We have talked about it on our live broadcast, but I want to put in a separate video for future reference. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Reason because they will deny you later. They will end up telling you that COS actually, oh, she said that she had been recognized officially when everything is well spelled out in that post. Shout out to Madam Origin that actually called my attention to the second paragraph of that post. And of course, Wokezike, who actually said it on commission, and it was validated by Madam Origin and many of you, Ocean Master, River Goddess, all of you, do you know who you are, and I appreciate you so much. So please make sure you like this particular video and share it to many platforms of your choice. So we are going to go straight to the post itself because I want us to make sure that we got it right and we are kind of focused to get everything, intact the way it's supposed to be. Yes, the way it's supposed to be, because this is the kind of thing that people love to do, blackmailing people, and I have to go through it together and put it out there so that anybody that cares to know the truth will know. Those who want to run propaganda, of course, no matter what you do, they will run propaganda. That's just a fact. Press statement issued on this 13th day of February 2026. The government of the United States of Biafra expressed its sincere appreciation to the government of Australia for its recognition and protection of Biafran sovereignty nationals, facilitated through the United States of Biafra mission in Australia. Mr. T.O. is the fourth Biafran national to receive protection in Australia following the declaration of the restoration of Biafra's independence on 29th November 2024 in Lahti, Finland. This continued gesture of humanitarian consideration and recognition of Biafra nationality is deeply acknowledged. As we wait for formal recognition, this is the part that made me that pushed me to record it. So for record reference, because no, they will twist all this that I've just said, and they will start running with that. Oh, she said that she had been organized. Oh, she said that this is. I want you to. That's why I highlight it. Okay, as we wait for what? Official recognition. Official recognition. So anybody that will come to you, oh, Shebi, your madam will say that you are being recognized, which is the area where that boy called Cecilia was going to. He was trying to, because maybe he's a she-male or he, whatever, but you know yourself. You know, God know who you are. The person was going towards that narrative to mock and to cajoke. So he said, as we wait formally recognition, as an independent nation from Australia and other members of the international community, our government remains committed to the constructive engagement and operation to ensure the safety, dignity, and protection of Biafrans at home and abroad. Will we persist in our diplomatic efforts until the peaceful resolution of Nigerians' occupation of our land, of our territory, enabling our people to return home securely and and continue building our nation. Thank you for your attention to this matter, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, Deputy Prime Minister, United States of Biafra. I will quickly go to the comment. Yes, I will quickly scan through the comment in search of negative comments. I know Biafrans are there in search of negative comments. So you can see, hallelujah, somebody said, Biafran has come up to USB's government, Master Kano, PM, DPM. He said, nah, Drake, our brother, okay, bless you and your government, DPM, this great news indeed, he said. Like I said, I'm in search of negative one. Heavily spiritually and humanly approved. Whoa, that is Chidimma. I see you. And thank you for your attention to this matter, Australia, all hail United States of Biafra. Heartfelt thanks to our visionary DPM, Dr. Abese. This is a good one. Jonathan is there. And Okeke Oyekachuku is in doubt, and because he's in doubt, he has to ask Crook. Has to ask a Crook, not Crook, please. Crook. He said, "What does it mean? Another feather to Biafran recognition." Okay, the person is not in doubt, but he want to know. He want to prove it by asking Crook. Let's see what Crook said about it, because I think they got reply. The face, another feather to Biafran recognition, likely refer to the idiom. Another feather is one scalp. Another feather in one scalp. That is when you know this Crook is trying to use this basically idiomatic expression, that when you put a traditional cap, some people put one feather. It's maybe feather of ego, ego feather, something like that. There's something very expensive in the market. You put it not to compare, not like in dollar to place. When I say expensive, it's not. I mean, it's not that. It's not like gold. Okay, they'll put one feather. Number of feathers you put determines how important and how reputable you are. Like how, I don't know how to put it, like your status, you are growing, the growth, the power, the title that you enjoy. So that's what it meant here. He said, the face, another feather to Biafran recognition likely refers to the idiom another feathers in one's cap, meaning an additional achievement or honor. In this context, it celebrates Australians' reported protection of Biafran nationals as a step towards international recognition of Biafran's independence as per the press statement. That's as GBM posted and the press statement that she dropped there. However, official confirmation of such actions by Australia is unclear based on available source. Australia are not going to tell you if they come out and say it, that's the official recognition. That's why DPM put it in there. That is, as we wait for official recognition. So that have said it. It said the person asked again, what source are taking? What source you are talking about? Can't you see it yourself? So this person is asking. And so says, I see the press statement and the flagged images in the post. My reference to source means I have searched official Australian government sites like DFAT and news outlet, but found no confirmation of recognition or protection for Biafran nationals. Claims appear from advocacy group only. Now listen. Here. I think I must have clicked on something else. No, this is not why you're here. This is for US, please. Now, what this person is trying to say is because everything that Croc asks is or answer based on social media publication. Okay, but Biafrans are there witnessing it and they are the one receiving it. So the official statement, Matabire, will come as time goes on. And the good part of it is that it's not only this one, so many other countries, which I will advise that government should shield and stop putting out those names. Don't mention those countries, in my own humble opinion. I don't think we should, I don't think it's worth doing now. I don't think it's worth doing. Avoid, in my own humble opinion, let's not, in as much as it's good, you can celebrate, you can, but if you ask me, I will tell you, no. Let's not talk about it. Don't even bring it in public. Remain calm and focus. Our heart is filled with joy. Australian continued protection of our people shows that the world is finally recognizing our identity and our rightful place as a sovereign nation. This is a strong step forward for Biafrans, and I stand tall. Pride and hope. Biafran lives. Biafran mission in Belgium. Belgium, I heard that you guys are doing fantastically well. Long may it continue. Alex asks, please, can you help me to confirm how many countries have recognized USB as a sovereign nation? As our DPM said, we have been recognized by Australia as one of the countries who have recognized USB as a sovereign nation. You see in the fallback, that first paragraph is where he actually focused. This is the reason why I decided to record this video. I know, and guess what? Tomorrow will be hot on this. Yes, tomorrow we may even come back to talk about it more. But as it's the hot, you go drop it. Please let me know what you think. In fact, let me know what Croc will answer to this guy. Of course, Croc don't have any answer to that yet, and Biafra have never claimed to be recognized by anybody. Based on my search of official source and news reports, up to February 13th, 2026, no countries have formally recognized the United States of Biafra as a sovereign nation. Australian government has provided protection to some Biafran nationals, example asylum, but this does not constitute state recognition. as noted in the press statement itself. The clock also is sounding like somebody is behind your memory. He said that as noted in the press statement, no constitute state recognition. In the press statement you're talking about, it is well spelled out there also that it is not official yet. She said, as we wait for official recognition. But let me remind our people back, because this is how they blackmail people. Listen, DPM made it clear here. When you come down here, it says, as we wait, there's a part where she said, as we wait for official recognition. Yeah, look at it here. As we wait formal recognition, meaning that this one is not formal. This is just accepting IP of Biafrans, recognizing the ID card, avoiding deportation, and giving them asylum to live, peacefully, freely in their country. And that is a first step in all this. You need to understand it very, very clear. Remember, Nigerian government have an embassy there, and Australians know that the document you are presenting to them is not from Nigerian embassy. It's from Biafran embassy, which is mission. Or look at what the Biafran called it. They call it mission, something mission, right? Biafran, I think Australian mission, something mission. You know what that means? Which is literally or basically embassy, but embassy, in waiting. So you need to understand it. Always, I understand that the confusion is because we have never been here before. We have never been here before, and that's why I kind of, control my anger, and I'm calm to hear from everybody, because we have never been here before. This is new to us, and we have to be focused and determined to learn how to live in this situation for now. It's a very good experience. Please let me know what you think about all we discussed so far. God bless you, and thank you so much. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. God bless you. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Take care.